Stocks fall today as economic numbers leave investors feeling gloomy. Deborah Kostroun has the latest from the New York Stock Exchange. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pimm. Yes, and the S&P down now for a third day in a row because of those less than stellar economic reports. First, we had that ISM report, which showed that the services industry expanded in April at the slowest pace in 8 months as companies cut back, mainly because of higher energy costs. Now, in addition to that, ADP Employer Services saying that job growth in April was below estimates, and traders saying that job growth really just has not been very strong this year. In fact, pretty much just mediocre, and that could certainly be a limiting factor for this market going forward. Pimm.
Now, Deborah, once again, crude oil takes another tumble.
Yes, and it was really hard not to talk about energy stocks today. So far this week, those energy stocks, they're down about 5%. The worst performers this week in the S&P, and crude oil down once again today because that report showed a surge in supplies. Crude falling $1.81 to close around $109 a barrel. Crude losing about 4% so far this week. And lots of IPOs and big IPOs in the works. Commodities giant Glencore saying today that an IPO later this month could value the company at $61 billion, making it one of the biggest IPOs in recent years. And the parent company of Dunkin' Donuts filed to raise as much as $400 million in an IPO. And, of course, the big IPO today for Renren, that is China's biggest social networking website, much like Facebook, surging as much as 71% today, at least at one point. The company pricing shares at $14 each, which was at the high end of their range, so a big jump for that stock. That's it from here, Pimm. Now back to you.
Thank you very much. Deborah Kostroun reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.